of the rails. It was summer on Sodor. The sky was bright blue, the fields were full of flowers, and the birds sang sweetly as Thomas filled up with water. He felt very happy. Suddenly there was a whoosh and a wheesh and a clackety-clack as a streak of silver roared by on the track.
Fizzling fireboxes! What was that?
All over Sodor, Thomas's friends were buffeted and blasted on their track.
Bubbling boilers!
Bust my buffers! Watch my paintwork!
Trembling tracks! Who was that?
Gosh! Slow down, Speedy!
Rail Raider!
Later, Thomas and his friends were at Knapford. They were very puzzled.
He was big!
He was silver.
Later, Thomas and his friends were at Knapford. They were very puzzled.
He was big!
He was silver. He was very, very fast.
That must mean it's...
Spencer! Very fast.
Big!
He was silver. He was very, very fast.
That must mean it's...
Spencer! Hello, Sodor! What do you know? I'm here for the summer.
Why?
I have a very important job to do. The Duke and Duchess of Boxford are having a new summer house built. It has to be finished in time for the Duke and Duchess's holiday. I'm very busy, no time to chat.
And Spencer steamed smugly away.
Cinders and ashes. Having Speedy Spencer on Sodor for one day is bad. But for the whole summer...
Is terrible.